Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do color correction for your videos using the CapCut mobile. So just add the video that you want to correct its color. So you can follow these settings, or it also depends on your video. First, you can go to adjust, and for the brightness, increase it to around 3. Contrast, increase it to 49. And the saturation 28, and swipe all the way, click on the highlights and lower it to -5, shadow -7. Lastly, click on the temperature and increase it to 36. So you are done, and let's see the before. So this is the before, and here is the after. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.